Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get around faster on Schedule 1. So the fastest vehicle is the Golden Skateboard, which is this one, and you can purchase it here. Make sure you have cash though, so maybe like withdraw money first in the ATM here. So withdraw 1,500 cash, then go to Shred Shack and then talk to Jeff. I'd like to buy a skateboard, and then select the Golden Skateboard. Again, you'll need cash. You cannot use ATM. And this is what it looks like. Sorry, I'm like pressing buttons. And it's actually pretty fast. Obviously, if you go up like hills like this, you're going to want to stop equipping it. It's just super fast if you use the Golden Skateboard. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.